Hello guys, so this is day 4 of what I ate today and how I spent my day as a college student living in Bangalore. I woke up late, skipped my first class but somehow managed to attend a few classes. During lunch break, I kept it simple, just some fries and no regrets. And then I came back home and decided to be productive, went for laundry and tell me why. It turned out to be 8 kg of clothes. At this point, I'm not a student, I'm running a clothing store. And after that, I treated myself with filter coffee and bun muska, instant mood refresh. On my way, I saw a flower blooming on a tree and for a second life felt calm. Small moment really matters. And I went to Supermart, grabbed some popcorn and noodles. For dinner, I made this simple aloo fry and yes, spicy noodles again. Unhealthy, maybe, but easy, affordable and filling. And ended my day watching Stranger Things for the 100th times and had some chocolate. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.